Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making very different dish. This is paneer in pumpkin gravy. For this we will make a gravy of pumpkin and then we will add paneer. So let's have the ingredient. We need pumpkin, cottage cheese, garlic, cinnamon, cardamom, clove, onion, tomato, coriander leaf, salt, turmeric powder, garam masala, coriander seed powder and green chilli. So in a pan, take 2 teaspoons of oil, add half inch of cinnamon, 2 green cardamom, 2 clove on low flame, cook it for a couple of seconds. Now add a small onion, add 1 green chilli, add 3 cloves of garlic, add 200 grams of peeled and chopped pumpkin, add pinch of salt. Now add 1 chopped tomato, mix it, cover it and leave it for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes you will see your pumpkin is done. Now add half a glass of water, let it boil. Now put it into a blender and blend it. Now again put it into same pan, add pinch of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of coriander seed powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala, mix it well, add salt. Now add cottage cheese, approximately 100 grams of cottage cheese, mix it, cover it and leave it for 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes your gravy is thick. Now garnish it with coriander leaf and your paneer in pumpkin gravy is ready. Thank you.